Hey everyone, I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but because my summer has been really busy traveling for work. In fact, I'm currently sitting here in the state of New Mexico for work. One of the nice things about traveling so much is I get to try a lot of the local cuisine. And I've been playing around lately with trying to bring some of that home and recreate it on my Blackstone. So most recently, I just came back from a trip to Hawaii and I got to try some great Hawaiian food. So I've been trying to make some Hawaiian food at home on my Blackstone, and I am going to bring you the first of those recipes right here today. And we are going to make spam musubi, which is kind of like a spam sushi snack thing. It's like a street food that they have there in Hawaii. So hope you enjoy, and be looking forward to some more videos from Hawaii coming up and some videos in the future from New Mexico as I get to try some of those out too. All right, enjoy.